My name is Ian. I've been doing breathing space for about 18 months and it's had a wonderful impact on my life. Working in recruitment is really working in sales. You have this wonderful side of it that you are actually helping people find jobs and build their own careers, but you're in a really, really competitive space. You're working to targets and goals that dictate your life weekly, monthly, quarterly. In the months before I discovered breathing space, I was working pretty hard and had been for a while. I was feeling quite unwell at times. Often my stress was kind of physically manifesting itself with abdominal pains which were worrying me. I was deeply uncomfortable with how I dealt with problems and how I dealt with my emotions. I've even found myself kind of shedding a tear at work in moments of stress. Finding breathing space was liberating and surprising because it was something I could self-serve whenever I wanted to, and it was like this little bit of magic that the app was enabling me to access, and I couldn't really believe the effects that I was feeling from doing that. And I was doing it. It wasn't somebody else doing it to me. It was just I was just having to breathe differently. I think my family noticed that I was suddenly making time for myself, and they could see that the things that I used to go on and on about, I wasn't going on about them anymore. I was just generally a bit happier, a bit lighter in myself, and that meant I had so much more capacity to give them different things. I actually do feel like I'm being a better dad, a better husband than I was before I had breathing space. It's a very liberating experience knowing that you can de-stress quickly and that you can manage that on an ongoing basis. Now I've discovered it and now I've built it into my routine and my practice. It's just part of my life, so I'll always enjoy it too much to not want to do it.